All right, y'all. Today is March 31st, 2026. I'm gonna bring y'all another trade recap. And today, yes, I did take a loss today. Um, it's pretty unfortunate. I've been on a pretty hot green streak recently, and I know losses were bound to happen. So I did take a loss today. And I'll go ahead and show you my P&L right over here for proof. I already locked out already, minus 550. Um, yeah, man. Overall, I thought this trade was pretty solid that I took. I had a valid draw, good draws that I can target. But as y'all see right here from my screen, looks like we're just chopping. Now I don't know if my trade's gonna end up playing out, the one that I got stopped out on, but it was a good trade in my opinion. I'm not mad at it. I'll take this 10 out of 10 times. We had good confluences, good draw, great displacement. It's just that happens sometimes. So it is what it is. So now I only needed one more day for a payout, but to get back above my buffer and then pull a payout out, I'm probably gonna have two more winning days. So I felt like with me, I kind of counted my chickens early. I started, thinking about like I'm gonna get a payout this week. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And I feel like I started letting money get involved again. You know what I'm saying? And I want to stop that now. I just gotta worry about the trade. There are some things I could have tweaked about this trade, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into that. But it's just unfortunate. This kind of stings because I just need one more day, and then I get stopped instantly within like 2 minutes. And this was right at market open too. This was right at 9:30, 8:30. So it's just it's annoying. It's what I'm saying, like it's just annoying. I can't do nothing about it. It's over with. What I'm saying. It's gonna bounce back tomorrow. But enough of that ranting. Let's go ahead and get to the trade recap and actually why I took shorts. Okay, so go on to the daily. We did have this previous day high with this unfilled daily gap. So that could have been a good target for longs, which we might actually end up going. So maybe my draw was incorrect, and that was actually the draw. Go down to the 4 hour. We've been pushing up overnight, boom, and we're also in this 4 hour bearish gap, right? So if we were to hold this, I would think, okay, we could go lower to London low, tap this 4 hour, then go up higher, right? So that was what I was thinking. Go down to the hourly. We were in this hourly right here, but looks like we're about to inverse it at 10 a.m. But we're also respecting this bullish hourly right here, right? So we kind of were respecting bullish order flow, and maybe I should have stuck with longs because that's obviously what we're respecting, right? We're respecting 1 hour gaps. We did have a good draw on previous day high and an unfilled daily. So maybe my draw was just wrong. I should have been only looking for longs. Um, but I don't know. It's just I thought this overall, even though like that was a good like maybe my draw was wrong. I still think my entry wise was pretty good. Everything that I took, my confluences, everything was good. Um, as you see here, we're also respecting this 15-minute during market open as well, or during pre-market. So maybe my draw was wrong. It is what it is. Then let's go down to where I took the trade at actually. So at open, literally right at open, we come up, sweep this high right here, sweep this high at 835, create SMT with ES, and then we also made this 1 minute gap right here. And I'll go back on bar replay so y'all can go ahead and check it out. So boom, this is the first 1 minute candle right here. We made it, boom, push up. As y'all see, we sweep this high. I'm gonna go one more. Right here, I'm sorry, let me go ahead and go right here. Sweep this high. See, as you see on ES SMT, right, at the lows, ES is dumping lower just to inverse this, right? So I'm like, okay, this could be good opportunity for shorts, right? Boom, we have good target London, which aligns perfectly with what? The 4 hour. Okay, aligns perfectly with the 4 hour, also with London low. So this is what I was looking at. 1 minute inversion SMT, and this was a good trade in my opinion. And as you see, I don't know why this shit went back. Okay, so I got in right here, boom, and I just got stopped instantly. We ran right back up, and I got stopped, right? So it is what it is. Can't really complain. I think I just had the wrong draw. I mean, at least as far as confluences wise, I had correct confluences. SMT, great displacement, inversion, a good target. Everything is right. It's just I had the wrong draw. That's pretty much why I took this loss. That's what I got from it. Um, it's just that we were respecting higher time frame bullish order flow. We're respecting 15 minutes. We were respecting hourlies. And I was looking for shorts. So maybe I should have waited for us to take out previous day high and then look for shorts. Um, but I don't know. It's just I just had the wrong draw. Like I can't complain. It's just wrong draw. And again, we are also chopping as well because we do have news at 10. So it was a bad trade overall in my opinion. I think just wrong draw. Maybe look at market conditions. Um, and yeah, that's all I got. That's pretty much all I got from this loss. I mean, it's just unfortunate. It's just it stings because I hate losing, like especially on trades like this on chop days. But I can't, you know what I'm saying? It's just can't complain. It's over with. I guess I bounced back. So I have 3 more days this week. I'm pretty sure I'll make this loss back. Just got to keep being patient and wait for myself to show up, and we'll go from there. But that's all I got for this video. Make sure y'all have it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all more trade recaps, and also make sure you go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. I do be more active on there, so make sure you go tap in with that and check me out. But yeah, I think that's all I got pretty much. Um, yeah, and I'll see you on the next one.